2, 3, 4. Creeping around your backyard late at night. Close the door on the tool shed, lock it tight. Dirty overalls, brown leather gloves. Gonna water the lawn with your blood. Gotta get away, but you can't escape the Garden Tool Massacre. 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 Bloody footprints on the rug, don't investigate. If you go downstairs, you catch a spade to the face. Next thing you know, you're neck deep in a hole. Tractor blowing smoke, getting ready to move. Gotta get away, but you can't escape the Garden Tool Massacre. 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 Garden Tool Massacre.
To frame. That is perfect.